Applying for Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSDI, can feel overwhelming. It's a complex process with detailed forms and specific requirements. However, successfully navigating this process is crucial for individuals who are unable to work due to a disability. A well-prepared application can significantly increase your chances of approval. This guide will provide a step-by-step approach to help you understand and effectively manage your SSDI application. Social Security disability benefits are designed to provide a safety net for those who have contributed to the system. To qualify, you must meet specific medical and work-related criteria. The Social Security Administration, or SSA, uses a strict definition of disability. You must be unable to engage in any substantial gainful activity known as SGA due to your medical condition. It's important to note that SSDI benefits are not based on your financial need. Instead, eligibility hinges on your work history and the severity of your disability. This means that even if you have significant assets, you may still qualify for benefits if you meet the SSA's definition of disability. The SSDI application process can be initiated online or by phone. The online application offers convenience and allows you to work at your own pace. You can access the application through the Social Security Administration's website. If you prefer speaking with someone directly, you can call the SSA to start your application over the phone. Regardless of the method you choose, be prepared to provide detailed information about your medical condition, work history, and financial situation. It's helpful to gather all necessary documents before starting the application. This will streamline the process and ensure you have everything at your fingertips. Before you begin the application process, it's crucial to gather all necessary information. This includes documentation of your medical condition, work history, and financial situation. Start by compiling a list of your medical providers, dates of treatment, and medications. Obtain copies of your medical records, including doctor's notes, test results, and treatment plans. These records are essential for establishing the severity of your disability. You should also gather information about your work history, such as dates of employment, job titles, and a description of your job duties. Completing the application forms. Accuracy is key. The SSDI application forms are extensive and require detailed information. It's crucial to complete the forms accurately and thoroughly. Any inconsistencies or missing information can lead to delays or even denial of your claim. Take your time and carefully review each section. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the SSA or a qualified disability advocate. They can provide guidance and support throughout the application process. Remember, accuracy is key to a successful application. Once you submit your SSDI application, it is reviewed by the Disability Determination Services, or DDS. This state agency collaborates with the SSA to evaluate disability claims. They will review your medical records, work history, and other relevant information to determine if you meet the SSA's definition of disability. The DDS may contact your medical providers for additional information or request that you undergo a consultative examination. This examination is typically conducted by a doctor or other healthcare professional chosen by the DDS, with the purpose to gather more information about your condition and its impact on your ability to work. The SSDI application process can be lengthy and complex. It's not uncommon to encounter challenges along the way. One common obstacle is delays in processing applications. The SSA receives a high volume of applications, which can lead to significant wait times. To minimize delays, ensure your application is complete and accurate. Another challenge is the possibility of denial. Many SSDI applications are denied initially, often due to incomplete or inaccurate information. If your application is denied, don't give up. You have the right to appeal the decision. Seek legal assistance from a qualified disability attorney to guide you through the appeals process and advocate on your behalf. Navigating the SSDI application and appeals process can be daunting. Consider seeking legal assistance from a qualified disability attorney. An attorney experienced in SSDI law can provide invaluable guidance and support throughout the process. They can help you gather evidence, complete forms accurately, and prepare for hearings. Furthermore, a disability attorney can represent you in front of administrative law judges if your case goes to an appeal hearing. Their expertise and understanding of SSDI law can significantly increase your chances of a successful outcome. Don't hesitate to reach out to a disability attorney for assistance. Applying for SSDI benefits can be a complex and challenging process. However, by understanding the steps involved, gathering the necessary information and seeking appropriate assistance, you can navigate the SSDI maze with confidence. Remember to be patient, persistent, and advocate for your rights. With careful preparation and the right support, you can increase your chances of a successful outcome and secure the financial assistance you need and deserve.